been about a minute, so we scored them. Put that X right on there and see how it's peeling back the skin? So you don't want to cook the peaches. Stops the cooking so we can just release the skin. Look at that. See how nice it just peels that skin back? That's the way you want to do it. So you can take this beautiful fresh peach in season. I purchased it about 2 days ago at the farmer's market. Leave it on your countertop, and then you can just blanch them, remove the skin, make a fresh peach pie, peach cobbler. My daughter Isabella doesn't really care for that furry skin, so this is a great way too.